Today I'm going to show you how to cook brown rice in Instant Pot. So first we need to rinse the rice. Yeah, just cold water. That's enough. Now let's do another rice. So that's 2 cups of rice, and here, so this is 3 cups of water. I'm just gonna add just a little bit of that, so you can just stir it. So let's put the lid on. There we go. This is all locked, and of course here, as you can see here where it is now, it's just sealing, so it's all locked. Now let's see what to do next. So this is what to do next. So I can normally press rice. I know it's going to give me 12 minutes, so this is low pressure. So I actually want it to be high pressure because it's brown rice. I'm just going to cancel that, and this is what I just press here, and then I have high pressure. I'm just going to press up to 10 minutes. Okay, here we go. So now it's been 9 minutes, so now we can actually release the steam. I'm just going to move it away from the counter. Right now it's safe to open it, so I'm going to open it. This rice is actually perfect, but because I'm cooking it for my daughter and my mom, I'm gonna add another one more. Safe to open it. I'm just gonna open it now. Okay. Now let's have a look and see. Use the fork to fluff it up a bit. This is perfect. Use the fork. How easy was that? Thank you so much. See you in the next video.